Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a new wig review from Debut Official. This one is a straight human hair wig with bangs, made from natural Brazilian 100% Remy Human Hair. It's 180% density, which is pretty average, and is 24 inches long, and it comes with a wig cap. That's about it. Let's start by taking a look at the wig out the bag. The wig itself feels pretty soft and natural to the touch. It came with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back, and a standard strap. The bangs are cut straight across, which is a nice touch. It's made from 100% Remy Human Hair, which means the cuticles are all aligned in the same direction. This helps the hair to look and feel more natural. I'll be able to style it without any problems. I've got the wig on now, and it feels pretty good. The wig cap is comfortable and doesn't feel too tight. Let me go and do my makeup and I'll be right back. This wig is super versatile. You can wear it straight or curl it. Curl this or something. I'm gonna wear it straight today. I'll use a flat iron and some Sebastian Shaper Plus, but on a normal basis I would use a heat protector before applying heat. This hair is not super thick, so I want to avoid using too much product on the hair to avoid weighing it down. Don't get me wrong, the wig looks great. If it was in like a 200 to 250 density, it would look so much better, but then again, it's all about preference. I personally don't really like when the hair is too thick, but in this case, especially for the length of this hair, a 200 to 250% density would be perfect. The bangs are a perfect length, but I personally prefer them to be a bit thicker and cover my forehead completely without leaving any space at the sides. I know it might just be me, but I find it more flattering this way. So I'm gonna trim a little bit more hair from the sides to achieve that look. And to help flatten the top of the wig, to ensure it's not looking too wiggy, I'm going to use some wax and my hot comb to further flatten it down a bit. I don't know, but I really don't like straightening my wigs while I'm wearing them on my head. I prefer to straighten them on a mannequin head because me and this heating, I really don't like having these hot tools so close to my face. But let me know in the comment section if you guys feel the same way. Right, let me finish straightening this off camera and come back. Alright, all done. Okay, now for the finishing look. Overall, I'm really impressed with this wig from Debut Official. The quality is great for the price. It's well made, comfortable, and versatile. I definitely recommend checking this one out. If you're looking for a new wig, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more wig reviews and beauty tips. And finally, share this video with a friend who might be interested. Thanks for watching.